demanded. No more orders, now I'm commanded. Anyone want it, better have understanding. Respect you I bet you not breathe again. I will beat you hell and back. Stand back and work on them. You know something like Mama, I'll beat you hell and back. Mama, you are the first, you are the world. Inspiration. Don't find a hope. I'm looking all from my head. To the Indiana. To the never. It's a mercy called Mama. The never on the mother. Let me hear you say yeah. Yeah. Can you say yeah? Yeah. You guys want to get X-rated? Yeah. Master T, you feel them nasty? Yeah. Winnipeg! Let's give some thanks and praises to the Most High. Let's say Jah! Right. Let's give thanks and praise. Guess why? Because the Father give us life to live. Why Him not give us life to live? Alright, you dead? Why are they? You dead? Make sure you're dead now because man said I don't want no dead woman in a bed. You understand? Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to give you one of dead for. You want some blood clot? Put it, that's the one. Carla! What are you doing there? Just like a block! He's not bad looking. Hold on there. I'd like you to tell him Winnipeg your name. Where are you? He's sexy, I like. I'm going to give you two. Publishers. Publishers, here's your apartment.
Excuse me, what do you got to offer, baby? You're talking about fuck, can you fuck? And all Jamaicans. No, I don't come, baby, you come. He's not.
understand? There's little kids here. No, Montaque. You asked me if I could fuck. And I'd like to answer you. Devil love. You're the wickedest fucking in the world. I want you to understand that. Hold on, you're not a DJ, you're a dancer. Or a man to fuck. You come, hold on, did you come to fuck? Did you come to fuck? No, did you come to fuck? You know what? If you're not gonna fuck, I want you to go. I love him, I love him. Baby, I love you.
Yo, yo.
What do you want tonight? You guys want Oh no. Guess what, Carla people? Carla people don't watch that. Everyone is gonna cause chaos. I'm pussy at the